Hello friends, I welcome you all to this session on graph theory. Today I will be discussing with you about the order and size of a graph. So to understand it, consider this graph. Now in this particular graph, let's say the vertices are A, B, C, D and E. So the order of any graph is nothing but the number of vertices in that graph. So here in this particular case, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 vertices. So the order will be 5. It is normally either represented as the magnitude of the vertex set, or it is also written as n. Both are same. Normally people write this. So the order of the graph in the picture is 5, which is nothing but the number of vertices in that particular graph. Now when it comes to size of a graph is the number of edges in that graph. So here, this is edge 1, this is edge 2, this is edge 3, edge 4, edge 5, and this one is edge 6. So in total, there are 6 edges. So the size of this graph will be 6. It is written as the magnitude of edge set, and that is 6, normally written as m. So once again, I am telling you, the order of any graph is the number of vertices in that graph, whereas the size of the graph is the number of edges in that graph. Let us take one more example to clear the concept. So let's say we are having this graph, and the vertices are A, B, C, and D. And I am interested in finding out the order as well as size of this graph. So the order is the number of vertices. So it's vertex 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 vertices are there. So the order will be 4. Now size, we have to count the number of edges. So this is edge 1. This is edge 2. This one is edge 3. This is edge 4. This is edge 5. This is edge 6. And this one is edge 7. So how many edges are there? 7. So the size of this graph is 7. So remember that number of vertices, it is the order, number of edges, it is the size of that graph. So in this lecture, till this point only, in the next video, I'll be telling you how to evaluate the degree of undirected graph. So thank you very much.